Hi everyone. Real fast. Today in class, what we talked about was a few things. One, if you show up for class, you have the opportunity to receive extra credit by doing 94% with us. Second, the assignments for today and all this week, and if we continue into the following weeks after spring break, will all appear after the last class around 3 p.m. This gives me time to make the videos and post all of the work on Schoology. If you come to class time, you will find that you will get all of the information, the work that is due and when, before everybody else. So another incentive to come to class. So for today, office hours are tonight from 6:30 to 7:30 in the office hour code. The activity that we're doing that is due this Friday by 11:59 p.m. is all about your pets. I'm asking that you talk about your pets or a pet that you would want. If you don't have pets, it's a pet that you want and you need to show a picture. If you have pets, I encourage you to show your actual pets. Take your computer or your camera, show your pet, have a person hold your pet while you're talking or whatever. You need to include the following in your video. You need to include the name of your pet, the color, how old they are, what they eat, and you can't just say cat food, fish food. You got to give me the name or the kind, what it's made of. You also need to include if they do any tricks, and if they don't, then what trick you want them to learn. You need to include what you do for fun with your animal or with your pet. And hang on, I'm trying to see. I wrote it down in another place. Eat, age, show, turn, fun. Yep. So the name, the color, what they eat, how old they are, show me your pet, what you do for fun, and if they know or what you want them to know for tricks. I want you to show at least 2 of your pets. It always helps to do more. If it's something that is just hard to do because your pets are at this house and you're at that house, then you can show pictures. But most of you who have been coming to class have been showing me your pets, and those of you who have come to class have seen my pets as well. There'll be another video showing my example, and I'll do that for Wednesday. The other thing that's due is the sign of the day. Today's and tomorrow's will be more difficult to do. You're going to have to search videos either on dailymoth.com, or you can search the Ohio Governor interpreters. So watching a video of the interpreters for the Ohio Governor and see how they sign those words. Hand speak and Savvy and Sign Savvy do not have these words because they're new. If you happen to have come to lunch with HKs or office hours, someone did ask how to sign one of the words. So if you know that, that's always a helpful thing. So sign of the days. Every day there will be 1 or 2 signs that you will be needing to do, with the exception of Friday. The last thing that we talked about in class is the weather forecast. Every day I'm asking you to do the weather forecast for your area, okay, where you live. I'm asking you to show, like we did in class, the highs, the lows, the wind, and then what the weather forecast is for today. On Friday, you will do the weekend outlook for Saturday and for Sunday, because we'll be on spring break next week. Okay? So, in review, all about my pet, weather of the day, or weather forecast, sign of the day, office hours are tonight from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. If you have any questions, that's the best time to do so. It is very difficult for me to try and sign individual videos or explain how to sign things via email. So I encourage you to come to class. I encourage you to come to office hours to get any vocab that you need. And I believe that's it. Tomorrow there's no class, but there's still work. Wednesday, class, and I'll have more new work for you to do, that will be due also on Friday. Thursday, no class. It's just a work day. And then Friday, there will be class for people who want to come to get that last couple points for extra credit, as well as to ask any questions, because all work is due by 11:59 p.m. Bye.